Hello everyone and welcome back to FactsVilli, the channel where we bring you interesting facts on various topics. Today's topic is for all the aspiring entrepreneurs out there who are looking to start their own e-commerce store through Shopify dropshipping. In this video, we'll be discussing 10 important facts that you should know before starting your Shopify dropshipping journey. Fact 1. What is Shopify dropshipping? Firstly, it's important to understand what Shopify dropshipping is. In simple terms, it's a business model where you don't keep inventory in stock but instead, you purchase products from a third-party supplier who ships them directly to your customers. With Shopify, you can easily set up an online store and connect it to various suppliers through apps like Oberlo and AliExpress. Fact 2. You need to research your niche. Before diving into the world of Shopify dropshipping, it's important to research your niche. This means finding a profitable product or market that you can target. A lot of people make the mistake of just selling any product without doing any research, which can lead to failure. You should research the competition, target audience, and demand for your niche before committing to it. Fact 3. You'll need to invest money. Starting a Shopify dropshipping business requires an investment. You'll need to pay for your Shopify subscription, purchase a domain name, and invest in marketing. You'll also need to invest in product inventory from your supplier. While dropshipping doesn't require you to purchase inventory upfront, you'll still need to pay for the products once a customer makes a purchase. Fact 4. It takes time to generate revenue. Don't expect to make a lot of money overnight. Shopify dropshipping requires patience and hard work. It takes time to build a customer base and generate revenue. You'll need to invest time and money in marketing to drive traffic to your store. Don't be discouraged if you don't make any sales at first. Keep learning and adapting your strategy until you find what works. Fact 5. You'll need to handle customer service. As a Shopify dropshipper, you'll need to handle customer service. This means answering customer inquiries, processing returns, and dealing with complaints. It's important to provide excellent customer service to build a loyal customer base. Make sure to respond to inquiries in a timely manner and resolve any issues quickly. Fact 6. You'll need to find reliable suppliers. The success of your Shopify dropshipping business depends on finding reliable suppliers. You'll want to work with suppliers who offer quality products, timely shipping, and good communication. You should also consider their pricing, as it will affect your profit margin. You can use apps like Oberlo and AliExpress to connect with suppliers, but make sure to do your due diligence before committing to a supplier. Fact 7. You'll need to optimize your website. Your website is the face of your business. It's important to optimize it for conversions to increase sales. This means having a clean, easy to navigate layout, clear product descriptions, and high-quality product images. You should also consider implementing features like social proof and urgency timers to encourage customers to make a purchase. Fact 8. You'll need to keep up with trends. The world of e-commerce is constantly changing, and it's important to keep up with the latest trends. This means staying up to date with new products, marketing techniques, and technology. You should also keep an eye on your competition and see what they're doing to stay ahead. Fact 9. You'll need to be patient and persistent. Starting a Shopify dropshipping business requires patience and persistence. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a long-term investment. You'll need to consistently put in effort to grow your business, even when it feels like you're not seeing results. Remember that success takes time and don't give up. Fact 10. You'll need to continuously learn and adapt. Finally, as with any business, it's important to continuously learn and adapt. The e-commerce industry is constantly evolving, and you'll need to stay on top of new trends and technologies to stay competitive. This means reading industry blogs, attending webinars and conferences, and trying out new strategies to see what works for your business. Conclusion. There you have it. 10 important facts to keep in mind before starting your Shopify dropshipping journey. Remember to research your niche, invest money and time, handle customer service, find reliable suppliers, optimize your website, keep up with trends, be patient and persistent, and continuously learn and adapt. With hard work and dedication, you can build a successful Shopify dropshipping business. Thanks for tuning into FactsVilli, and we'll see you in the next video.